Good morning to all. This is Parvez Khan. This is IZ Study Circle. Now I am going to teach you this chapter, and presently I am giving two answer of all these questions. So hope you are ready to listen this. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये क्लास 6 है और ये जस्ट शूट जो आपका चैप्टर है उसके वर्ड्स मीनिंग और क्वेश्चन आंसर से। तो आइए देखते हैं वर्ड्स। इसको मैंने 3 कॉलम में किया है। वर्ड्स हैं, मीनिंग्स हैं, हिंदी है। ग्रीव, फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, फेल्ट डिसअपॉइंटेड, निराश हो गया। ट्रैक्स, फुटप्रिंट्स, पैरों के निशान। प्राइड, अ ग्रुप ऑफ लॉइंस, शेरों का समूह। पीयरिंग, लुकिंग वेरी केयरफुली, बहुत ध्यान से देखना। लैंड रोवर, हंटर व्हीकल, शिकारी गाड़ी जिस पे लोग बैठ के शिकार करते हैं। टर्माइट माउंड, हिल ऑफ मड, दीमक की पहाड़ी। हैसिटेट, फील शाई, हिचकिचाना। मोक चार्ज, टू स्केयर, डराना। रिलीव्ड, रिलीफ, सुकून महसूस करना। अ फ्यूरी ऑफ टीथ, टीथ बेयर्ड, दांत दिखाना। मिनेंस, थ्रेट, खतरा। पंजेंट ऑर्डर, अ स्ट्रॉन्ग स्मेल, तेज़ खुशबू। अब ये रीडिंग पोर्शन देखिए डियर स्टूडेंट्स। रीडिंग पोर्शन में आप देखेंगे आंसर इन ब्रीफ। क्वेश्चन 1, हाउ डिड द नरेटर नो दैट 2 लॉइंस हैड जस्ट पास्ड बाई। इसका आंसर देख लीजिए। द नरेटर न्यू दैट 2 लॉइंस हैज़ जस्ट पास्ड बाई एज ही इज spotted fresh loin tracks on the dirt road that they were driving on. Question 2, why did the narrator move away from the vehicle? Answer, the narrator moved away from the vehicle to ensure that the loins were not in the thick bush on his left. Question 3, what made the narrator realize that he had been stupid? Answer, as he pointed to the cubs in the bush to his left and pointed to the adult loins near the termite mound in the opposite direction, he realized that he is stood between the cubs and the adults, which is very dangerous. Question 4, why did the narrator feel nagged and cold? Answer, the narrator felt nagged and cold as he was filled with fear. Question 5, why was the road that the narrator gave less than threatening? Answer, the road that the narrator gave is described as being less than threatening, probably because it was not loud enough, given that he was so frightened, and hence was no match to the roars of lions. Complete these sentences. इनको complete करना है आपको. The only thing that Spirou Bagu wanted to do was to, अब ये देखिए कंप्लीट करने के लिए, film a loin killing something. The narrator had forgotten to look both ways. The narrator faced the loins because he wanted to show the loins that he had forward facing eyes like them. The narrator was spared by the loins only because they were more keen on protecting their cubs. 5. Spirou Bagu looked displeased because he had not been able to film the action. C portion देखिए. Read these lines from the text and answer the questions. First, on our last drive together, I saw fresh loin tracks on the dirt road we were using. Who does we refer to? Answer, we refer to the narrator and Spirou Bagu. What did the narrator do on seeing the fresh loin tracks? Answer, the narrator stepped out of the vehicle to take a better look at the tracks on the dirt road and see which way they had gone. See, who did the tracks belong to? Answer, the tracks belonged to Martina's pride that comprised of 2 female loins. While I suddenly realized how stupid I was, the loins came at me. A. How had the narrator acted stupidly? Answer, the narrator had acted stupidly by moving without seeing which way he was going and accidentally coming in between the cubs and the adult loins. B. Why did the lions go towards him? Answer. The lions went towards the narrator as he stood between them and their cubs. The lions did not want any harm to come to their cubs. C. What did the narrator do to make the lions hesitate? Answer. The narrator made the lions hesitate by raising his arms to make himself seem bigger. He then faced the lions, showing them that he had eyes that faced forward just like them. Think and answer देखिए अब डी वाला पोर्शन. Question 1. The narrator says getting between a lion and her cubs is as dangerous as crossing a busy road with your eyes and ears shut. What else is as dangerous? Why do you think so? Answer है क्रॉसिंग अ रेलवे ट्रैक इज़ ऑल्सो डेंजरस विदाउट सीइंग एनीवेयर. क्वेश्चन 2 देखिए. डू यू थिंक Spirou अंडरस्टूड द रियल डेंजर दैट द नरेटर वॉज इन? गिव रीज़न फॉर योर आंसर. आंसर. नो, Spirou डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द रियल डेंजर दैट द नरेटर वॉज इन फॉर द थॉट. It was staged. In fact, he was displeased that he had not been able to capture the action between the lions and the narrator and wanted the narrator to repeat what had just happened. Okay, dear students, ये आपका चैप्टर की जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं ये कंप्लीट हो गए हैं. तो आप इसको आपको करना है. ठीक है, आपके लिए मैंने आसानी पैदा कर दी है. ओके, बाय, अल्लाह हाफिज़.